Hi everyone, it's Jason from eVTOL Insights with the latest news update on Thursday, January the 12th. Open Skies Cornwall, a UK Research and Innovation Future Flight Challenge competition winner, has achieved the first flight as it helps to shape the future of drone delivery in the region. The project launch event completed the milestone in the newly designed Falmouth Harbour maritime drone testbed airspace environment, which has become the UK's first drone-friendly harbour with a focus on supporting next-generation net-zero maritime logistic capabilities. The consortium is led by Drone Prep and formed of Falmouth Harbour, Skyports Drone Services, Royal Mail, NHS Cornwall and the Isles of Scilly Integrated Care Board, University of Southampton, Neuron Innovations, Cornwall Council and J-Hub Med. This event also marked the first time the drone delivery register was used. This will allow consortium members, harbour users, vessel owners, landowners and businesses to register takeoff and landing locations for future drone deliveries, share permission to access land and assets and allow project partners to test low-level flight corridors with agreement of all ground stakeholders. Partners will invest £2.4 million of UKRI funding into Cornwall to build ground landing infrastructure, unmanned traffic management sensor networks, commission new unmanned aircraft and establish Skyhighways or drone flying corridors to support medical and commodity deliveries. Thanks so much for watching. You can read the full story on our website evtolinsights.com. Don't forget you can subscribe to our Friday newsletter and find us on LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter.